Right in the temple.
Ready?
Yeah. It's hot.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, but it's freaking hot. Burned my tongue. Oh, we're back. Something new this time. Something different. Dad and I are camping for 2 nights. Yeah, on some crown land. Tomorrow duck season opens up, and if the duck hunting is bad, we got fishing on the lake to entertain us, and if the fishing is bad, then we got nothing else. We've hunted here before a few times, mostly deer. We've always seen ducks, so we thought we'd give it a shot. Now, we are by no means even good duck hunters. I've never really duck hunted in my life. My father hasn't duck hunted since probably the early 2000s. So by no means is this a instructional video. If anything, it's advice on what not to do.
Burn me. Bitter. I can see 2 mallards over there. They're about 60 meters away. And they're probably saying, man, that guy won't shut up. What is duck call? Well, I fired twice, and both times there was enough notice to get the camera on. It's a duck sour just over here that took off. Nothing to show for it, except a couple spent shells. There's some ducks in the bay opposite us. I think there's about 3 or 4 of them. If I was a good duck caller, I might be able to pull them over here, but I'm not. I think we shot it about 4 or 5 sets of times, and unfortunately we got 0 ducks to show for it. But I guess that's what happens when you're a newbie. Some action at least, some practice. I gotta do a better job of trying to film and hunt though at the same time.
There, get ready. Well, Drake mallard, not bad. Congrats to Dad. It'll be good eating. Yep. Really?
No, that's too far, damn it.
Really?
Shot.
Damn, I should have shot through you. Here they come. I don't know why you're not ready. Let's go get our shells. Well, after those pathetic attempts at shooting some ducks, I'm out solo right now. Trying my hand at a little bit of fishing. Just got a jig, twister tail, and a worm on. I don't expect any ducks to be anywhere near here right now, so can't hurt to switch it up. Just saw a couple of ducks land in the bay ahead of us. Just as I was getting stuff ready to sit down. We're gonna take a walk to another pond nearby, because we're thinking maybe we'll flush some from there into this lake, and maybe we'll jump them and maybe get a shot. I haven't had a single chance at one this evening. There's a few guys in another section of the lake. Way better duck hunters than we are. They're covered in birds. Well, not only 0 ducks this evening, 0 shots from us, but a group of guys on another section of the lake probably let off about 100 rounds total.
Just hammering them.
I was just saying, this is probably the most depressing day of hunting I've ever had in my entire life. Not one bird seemed interested in us. And a lot of the birds that were flying over were probably just terrified of the war zone that was on the other side of the lake there.
Kung Pao grilled chicken. I think I've had this one before. I think it was okay.
It's okay. What, Kung Pao beef better?
I don't think I've had Kung Pao beef.
I'm gonna take one bite of that one duck we got, and I'm gonna lose a tooth.
No, you gotta pluck the BBs out.
Yeah, but it's not a perfect science. There's bound to be one left, knowing my luck.
No, you just gotta look for where the blood is.
Super foggy morning this morning, and had a few shots. Where I am, it's tough to see them coming. So when I can see them, I've got like a split second to make a shot, and I don't practice. I've never practiced. This is probably why I keep missing. It's frustrating, but no one to blame but myself. I don't even know if you're supposed to whisper duck when you're duck hunting. I'm just used to it from deer. Well, it's still super misty / foggy out. It's actually pretty cold. Not much shooting this morning. Still should have had at least one. What can we do? It's our last morning. We're not sure if we're gonna hunt this evening. We'll see. But right now we're just gonna make some oatmeal. Hopefully that'll heat us up a bit, and we'll go from there.
a new spot this evening. I had a couple another bad misses. I'm losing all my confidence. But there's still a couple more hours, and maybe with some luck I can get something.